So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads right here, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to get both of them, so you want to click on both of them. Now once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on Show in Folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them. So for me, the first one is going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been installed, you want to click on close. Now we're going to install the second one. For me, it's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then do the same thing. You want to tick the box, install, and then click on yes. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to click on close. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to tick NET Framework 3.5 and then you want to expand it. Make sure that you have everything here ticked. Now we're going to expand NET Framework 4.8. Now you want to expand WCF services. You want to tick everything here. And then click on OK. Which is now going to install it. Wait for this to load. And then once you've installed that, for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.